I forgot to put blush and highlighter. I used another one, te digo. I guess I'm just gonna put it on top. So this is the Merit Beverly Hills blush. I'm gonna try it for the first time. So, ooh, wow, it's pretty. It feels like cool and smooth. So, like the lipstick. I don't know how to blend these type of blushes, but I feel like it's too dark for me. I don't know. Okay, so it is really pretty. It's just harder to blend than traditional powder. So I don't know how to use these. Wow, but it's pretty. I'm just gonna blend it with a beauty blender like that. Okay, kind of blended, so it's nice. So I'm gonna use the highlighter stick now. This is in the shade Cava. Okay, this one's pretty. Put a little bit in my nose, here, maybe a little here, a little here. I'm gonna blend. Wow, I love the highlighter, it's pretty. Wow, it's shiny. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this signature lip lightweight lipstick in the shade Avenue. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's this beautiful brownish one. It's really pretty. I already lined my lips, so let's see how it looks. Oh, I don't want to break it. Okay, so it's smooth and pigmented. Does it have like the old lady taste, like the lipstick? So it's amazing. Wow, that's the color. It's really pretty and matches well with the peaches and the look. I chose well. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the shade stick tinted lip oil in the shade Cara Cara. I don't know how to say it. So it kind of matches this lip. It's really pretty. Wow. Overall, I like their products. All of them are really nice. I recommend it. Okay, so this is the final look. As you can see, it looks really nice. I love the products. So Merit Beauty reached out to me and emailed me, wanted me to do this YouTube video and just mention them, and they did gifted me this products for free. So okay. So yeah, check all the details in the description bar. And yeah, bye. So again, Merit, thanks a lot for choosing me. Out of everyone, I have like 237 subs on YouTube. I don't even have a lot of views, and they decided to choose me out of everyone. Really, like, wow, like that goes to show that if you really want to do something, don't give up, because you may never know, you might get a big opportunity as well, like I did. So yeah, wow. So thanks again, and thanks for watching.